This is Mama Miche, and today in the Magic Kitchen, butter chicken. To look at me, you would not know that I was born in Southeast Asia because my parents are not Asian, they're European, Eastern European, and of German descent. You also might not think I look Eastern European or German unless you know that I'm Jewish. Most people thought I was Italian growing up, and I would often respond when they would ask, "Are you Italian?" No, I'm not Italian. I just play one on TV, and we would laugh. Growing up, my mom cooked so many different types of ethnic foods, but she never forayed into Indian food. I only ever ate Indian food in restaurants, but I grew up in New York City, and if you know, you know. For authentic Indian food, you need look no further than 6th Street, New York City. Now, the New York City area is home to the largest Indian American population of any metropolitan area in the country. In Manhattan, the neighborhoods of Rose Hill and Murray Hill between 25th and 30th Street have now become known as Curry Hill due to the growing Indian food scene. And closer to where I grew up and where I went to high school in Jackson Heights, there's a large population from India as well as many great restaurants. I remember having one friend in New York who loved Indian food more than anyone I know. It made him feel intoxicated, and he was so much fun to eat Indian food with. He didn't get high, didn't smoke, didn't drink, but Indian food had a profound effect and made him giddy and silly. And just entering into an Indian restaurant, he'd breathe in the aroma and be a changed man. Food in general has brought me so much joy in my life, and the fond memories associated with food are way too many to count. Learning how to cook different foods from different lanes has been a passion of mine for many years. I love to entertain, and I love to try new things, but I'll be honest, a long list of ingredients and long cook times intimidate me. So getting an Instapot and finding a delicious recipe on the internet at myheartbeats.com led me to attempt to make butter chicken at home. Everyone in the fam loves it. I try to make large amounts to freeze, but it doesn't last long. It's really easy to make, and I cannot recommend it enough. Served with some basmati rice, naan, some lentils, chickpeas, spinach, yogurt. It's one of the most comforting meals in my repertoire. I hope you'll try it. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic. Like, follow, subscribe. This is the shit.